Today I'm going to review and test a smart blind controller. Hello, I'm Blake, professional innovator and designer in pursuit of the invisible smart home.
Water leak alert.
Open the box. Alright, the main item. Wrong style AC adapter. I'll have to figure that out. Some manuals. Some extra mounting hardware and gear adapters. Alright, so I've got it set up here with the battery just as a convenience sake for the setup and testing. It's a good looking and relatively compact design. In my case, I've tried two of the included spindles, and they seem to both work. I didn't get to this one, but I think this one would probably work as well, depending on the type of cord you have on your blinds. This comes out easy. Version you want. So when I originally paired it, it didn't work, and it was because it hadn't been calibrated, and I'm going to show you how to calibrate it in a minute. And I've paired the remote, which I guess is a cool idea, and I use the included template hanger, and I'll show you how you use that to position it for setup. Alright, to calibrate, you hold down the center button until you get a red blink. Or the stop button. Alright, so let's assume the curtains are fully open and we want to close them. So let's push the down for close. And then you stop it. It should blink here in a minute to tell me it's done its thing, which is done. Alright, so you can open the blinds. It's going to go for a few feet or inches depending on how you calibrate it, and you can close the blinds. Alright, to pair it to the app, I'm not going to go through the full process, but you hold the up and center button, and it should go into another blinking mode here. Alright, so that's pairing mode. Alright, so it found the curtain, and you can see the little blue. It's gradually going through the installation. Alright, so it found the curtains. Done. And now I should be able to open and close the curtains. And let's just show you how to pair the remote. Hold this down. Alright, stop. Okay, so now I've paired the remote. Alright, and then one other thing is that you can hold this button down, I think either the up or down, to reverse the motor if it's going backwards. You just hold it until it blinks, and then that's reverse the direction based on the arrows, and you can also do that in the app, I think. Use the template to position this mounting plate, and I've put it here. I originally put it over here because it was nice in line with this, and I thought it would look good like that, but of course that gets in the way when mounted over here of the blind itself, so you had to mount it when there was enough space, so it ended up over here. Alright, let's start with the blind all the way open. We'll go through the mounting and the calibration. So I got it hooked up to my battery temporarily. Let's put this on here, and you just that didn't work, so there's a button on the bottom here. You can bring that up. Get this right. Alright, so I can set the tension. I think I can make it a little tighter. Alright, that's pretty good. Do I need to go one more? No, let's leave it there. I think that's good. Alright, so the blind's all the way open. First, put it in calibration mode. Alright, so that says it's calibrated. Let's see what happens. Let's open her up. Should stop at the top. And it's making kind of a clicky noise. It makes that same noise when the motor's not there and you just do it by hand. So at first I thought that was a problem, but it seems to be normal. Alright, let's see, bring it down. And it should stop a little short so a dog can see out the window. Alright, so it's been calibrated. So it's showing it closed, so I can open and close it with my phone. So let's open it. And it's opening, of course. Alright, and let's close it. Alright, so that's not too exciting, but it can open and close. I've calibrated it, and I'll just show you the remote working. I'm not sure which is the top or the bottom, but let's just show you that working here. Alright, so let's see, assume that's the top, see if that works. Yeah, that's the top, so you can stop at any time, and then you can continue again. And of course you can close it if you want to. Alright, and I can connect it to my Google Home or Amazon Alexa to open and close with my voice, and I can even, I think, connect it to SmartThings through the cloud and probably most other controllers. And also another interesting idea is that the fact that it comes with a 433 remote, you could probably use one of those RF bridges to even connect it to what other unique system you have and open and close it with that system. Let's just talk a bit about what I like and don't like about it. What I don't like about it. First, it's a Wi-Fi device. I would have preferred a Zigbee or a Z-Wave, or even really cool would have been a Matter device. Ideally, it would have an easy way to hide the wires, and in my case, it would have been nice if I could extend this below the couch and I could have hidden the wires. A battery version wouldn't go with a Wi-Fi type connection or a Matter. You'd have to use a Matter thread. So I guess I just don't like the fact that you have to see it, you know, with my invisible smart home theme. It'd be nice if I could tuck it in behind the couch and you wouldn't see it. What's good about it, of course, is the convenience. You could set automation to open and close as required, you know, open in the morning and close in the evenings. And in some cases, you know, if you want to protect your furniture, you might have it closed certain times of the day so that it doesn't fade your furniture. You could also open and close it for security reasons when you're away, to make it look like you're, you know, somebody lives here. You could integrate it with other things such as motion sensors or light sensors to have it open and close as required. And even for, you know, for temperature. You know, when it's hot out, you want this closed to keep the cool air in. And when it's cool out, maybe you would open it in the winter, and it'd be, you know, various combinations depending on the weather. And that's it. So please like and subscribe, and look for my next video.